That's a noose. Someone's made a noose. Actually, I think it might be an old
Well, I got my foot.
all unwound.
Bed spring, it's up, that's a fence. That's a fence knot.
Alright.
Like on a fence post.
It's clean, doesn't it? Not clean there. Oh, that's fuck all.
Everywhere you go in the bush you should expect to find something that's unusual. This time we found an active malleefowl's nest. Though we couldn't find the hen anywhere, it's quite clear by the scratchings around that she was still looking after this nest. Pushing through the thick regrowth, I found another disused malleefowl's nest. This is another example showing how well the bush regrows. If you weren't very careful out here, you could get lost very easily. This is the regrowth after a bushfire. We're currently on a track that has been used by the bloke that we've been chasing for the last week or so. This is going up the eastern side of Lake Cowan. At this point we're looking for two tracks that run east and west, and we're hoping that these will lead us onto the old Woodlines Trail.
I wonder how far up this goes.
Yeah, I've said it many times, you can't be very precious about the paintwork on your car when you travel through country like this.
That's it? Oh, you come out to the right?
Yep.
We'll put the fire.
We've eventually set up camp at our second base camp, and we've dragged out the remote control cars and set up a small race course. Just before sunset on the night we first got to this camp, I rode out on the motorbike. I located where the original horse yards were. The next morning we set out following the old railway line using the Google Earth map. I marked the railway line with pink ribbon so that we wouldn't get lost on the way back, as the bush always looks different when you turn around.
So this is the end of the line of what the probably most western point of the woodlines would be in this region. From 1942. Here we are. It's the old cart track.
Not only are the straight lines of the railway lines visible from Google Earth, Also, when you zoom in, you can see the horse yards, and these are often a giveaway that there was a camp nearby. You can see a ribbon on that tree there. We set this up as a rendezvous point in case anyone became lost. We could always go back to that one point near the horse yards.
There must be water around somewhere, a lot of little tiny birds.
Crouching low and then standing up, it is possible to see where the railway formation once was.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You get a
Now
flat
what?
tyre, you have to change it yourself.
Now what?
We've got to wait for that.
Try that one.
Well, I thought I had to do opposite.
You do,
My
but you
arse
can just
is
tighten them
covered
up.
in dirt.
That'll do.